Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. It's an ATC card, and this is going out to a friend who's having a challenge. So first of all, I made a mini pocket letter so that I can house my ATC card. And all I did, I used the bottom half of the pocket letter, and I put sequin mix on the two outside pockets, and I purchased a digital collection off of Etsy, and these are the characters, some of the characters that I have. So I glued two here, so if you guys recognize them, it's Baby Yoda and R2-D2, and then we have Anakin Skywalker and Princess Padme, her. So I want to put something on the back here just to cover the information from the ATC card. I stitched the pockets here with some gold thread, and the sequin mix is just a bunch of sequins that I have in my stash. I made it, they're both the same, and she could open these up and use them, and she could also pull these images off, these die cut pieces that I created. She can pull them off and use them also. This trim right here I received from a crafty friend. Oh boy, I've received so much happy mail. I don't remember who sent me this, but whoever you are, thank you. I know I thanked you when I did an unboxing. I just can't remember right now. This is one of the papers from the digital collection. Don't mind my hands, guys. It's just really cold and dry here. The background paper has Obi-Wan and Anakin. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't remember. And yeah, just some images on the back. Let me see if I can. Here we go. This is what the background paper looks like. And it also has Star Wars in the back. You can see. So the problem with me is ATC cards are so tiny. And then it's also, you're very confined in how you can layer up the pieces. So you don't want to go too thick and, not be able to fit in the pocket itself. So I wanted to make sure I had some layering pieces, but I didn't use any dimension. So I kind of kept it flat. The only dimension is the sequin stars, and those are just from my stash. That's what it looks like. And then Listen to Your Heart, it will show you the way. That is just from my stash. I believe it's a KS Crafts. Yeah, it's one of these right here. It's KS Crafts, one of the sentiments. Okay, and I just layered the sticker onto some of that gold shimmer paper from Michaels, I believe. I don't remember, but anyway. I did do some stitching on the background. So there you go, some gold thread. And then on the back side, I just printed out my required information off the computer because my handwriting sucks right now. And so to put this all together, I just really wanted to put it into a mini pocket letter, close this up, and either way that you close it, you're going to still see a lovely image, and see the shaker bits will cover it all up. That's how it's going to go. Okay, let me get some seam binding. Get my stash, my seam binding stash. And let's see, what can we use? Do I have green? I really need to re-up my seam binding. Oh yeah, we have green. Girl, you have green, all right. All right, so just getting a piece from here. And if you're not familiar with the seam binding shop I get mine from, it's My Scrap Cabin shop on Instagram. and she has an Etsy shop. So check her out. I think I want to use some blue also. So green and blue, and then probably yellow. These are the colors of the lightsabers that I know of, and also red. Okay, I can't find the end of this. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, here we go. And just, you know, get a few pieces. Seam binding comes in handy. It's really, really handy. Oh, I didn't cut this. Okay. I know last time I used this color combination, everybody was like, oh, it looks like Rasta. Well, if it does, it does. It's okay. And then I'm going to throw in some red. These are the colors of the lightsabers. All right, so let's get our ends together. They're all, I only get my seam binding from my Scrap Cabin Loft. I love her colors. And never go wrong. I think I need more red and more pink and white and black even. All right, it looks crazy, but I think it'll be perfect. Actually, going to, so I kept the pocket letter hole from the sleeve. I kept it there. I kept it open. I didn't cover it up. And we can do this. The images that I have are from Etsy, if I didn't say that. And I just loaded it into my Cricut Design Space and sized it to whatever size I needed them. Larger and smaller, or whatever. Just making sure everything is tight. Okay. All right, and then just take the seam binding around to the front, and I'm not going to tie it too tight, just like that. I know, I like too many colors, guys. Purple is my favorite color, but when it comes to choosing colors, I don't know. I like every color under the sun. Right? So there we go. Look at that. Look at how cute. So that is it for my ATC card, the requirement. I just wanted to go over some of these. So here I had Cricut print and cut, and I cut out the offset with the gold shimmer paper, and I printed my image on photo paper, HP photo paper, because that's my printer. That is my printer that I have, so HP photo printer. My downfall is I used the Bearly Arts glue to glue them to the offset, and it warps the paper. So you can see here the paper is a little bulged, and it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell because once you put it down, you could see it in person. But anyway, so I did that on photo paper, and then I cut it out with the cardstock for the what's it called? Offset. And then I printed the image again, and this time I put it on cardstock, but then I layered the image with the laminate, the iridescent laminate sticker. So it covers the paper, that covers the cardstock, and look at all that. Isn't that cute? So this is one pattern. I don't know, you guys can see the pattern. It's like speckles. And then this one is like stars. Can you see the little stars? Stardust. And then the other image, oh, that's speckles too. Where are we at? Thought I had another one. It's stars. Stars. Oh, here. Fragments. Looks like glass. You see that? Isn't that cute? So those are the three styles of laminate sticker paper that I have. So if you look at that on BB-8, isn't that cool? And so these will either get used up on the projects that I'm making for her, or it will be contained somehow and shared with her, and she could use them however she wants. And the other thing is so like I did with the Hello Kitty, I printed these out onto the shrink plastic. I hate saying shrink-a-dink, but shrink-a-dink. And this is what you can do. Some of them have the loops, some of them do not, because you can add these as a cabochon, or you can use them with the hole. I just add it with Cricut Design Space and use that as a hole to hang as a charm. And I thought those are cute. Look at that. And if I knew how to use the, what is it called? You know, the clear coat, that protective coat, I would do it. And I've already experimented before using nail polish and Mod Podge. The Mod Podge is okay, it just smears, so I don't like using that. The nail polish, you have to do several coats unless you get a better quality nail polish. So for this one, I think I'm just gonna leave it without any clear coat on top. So I think that's it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. So anyway, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Join our crafty family and hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video or if I do a live here on my YouTube channel. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you all next time.